It's another day. It's January 6th. I haven't, like, I woke up not even hungry. I'm drinking coffee right now. So, yeah. Okay. Progressive. That's a car insurance. That's my car. Oh my god. Proactive. I have tried Proactive. Personally, it makes my skin really dry. I don't know, because I hear the Proactive commercial right now. Totally random. I can't wait to use some of my Tarte makeup. I know today, yes, it is 9 degrees outside. That is crazy. I gotta get some of my stuff out of my old car, so today I do have some stuff to do today, but it's not as busy as yesterday. What the dentist said is gonna happen. My teeth are like, the side where I got the super sensitive, so I'm using Orajel. Not sponsored, I promise. I can't wait because I'm getting the Too Faced Peach palette. Yeah, I know, I just got makeup and all. Oh, I'm so excited to get that. It smells like peaches. I can't wait to get that. I'm supposed to get that Tuesday and all, so I'm so excited. Putting my makeup on. These are one of my new things I got. I'm gonna use the teas. Actually, mine. Teas. Look how pretty this crush is. It is so pretty. I'm gonna be all full face with Tarte. Now I'm gonna use my blush and bronzer set that I got too. Where's my eyeliner thing? Okay, wing will go so far. I'm using the Rimmel Londons. I used the Tarte Tease palette that I got. Oh, I love that color. Crush is so pretty. One more done. I'm just gonna put my Tarte lip paint on. Minty. All done and all ready. I have not wore this type of makeup. Like darker, because normally I normally have a red lipstick on. That's what I'm trying to say. New makeup. I really like how my wing came out today. So now I'm actually kind of hungry, so I'm probably gonna eat. And now there's leftover pancakes, so I might eat that. And so yeah, I get all excited when I get new makeup so I can test it out and all. You know how it is. When you get anything new, you get excited to use it and all. Hey guys, I haven't vlogged in a while. Basically, it is 4:18. My sister woke up and all, and she had like a reaction and all. Hey.
What?
I'm vlogging.
Oh.
No.
Look at me like that.
You look good. My sister just walked in. So I am watching Netflix right now. I'm watching The Secret Life of an American Teenager on my computer. I don't know if she wants to be seen, so I'm not gonna show her.
Where's Dad?
To go get your medicine.
He was having a piece of his chocolate.
The chocolate you bought him for Christmas. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. My.
I don't have another cream.
So you go to the dentist, get your cavities filled to eat more candy.
Yeah.
Is Rocia Stolvers. That's. It is the next day, January 7th, guys. I did my makeup a little different. Using I got the Tarte thing. I used one of the looks here, so I did the classic smoky eye ombre. So, did that. And yesterday I got to drive my new car. Oh my god, like, I'm so used to, like, being on the Camry, and I'm out. Oh, I thought I heard something. Okay. I get, like, so, on my old car, right, I'm so used to, what's the word, being lower, and now I'm up higher, and also, you can tell, I like it. I got Bluetooth on it, and all. Alright, I'm trying to, like, because I put my medicine all in here, so I'm trying to find everything. Oh, here we go. So, yeah. Trying to organize and all. Alright, let's do that. I still haven't even had any coffee. I went out yesterday and I was freezing. I'm just wearing this pink shirt and then this, you know, scarf. My hair is getting long. Yay, I wanted to get like to like right here, past, yeah, like I wanted to, it will get long, it'll get like, I want it to get long. I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you around till you love me, paparazzi. Lady Gaga. Alright, let's do this. Alright. Oh guys, you need to follow me on Snapchat. I like post like, I got it a couple days ago. Okay, I'm gonna need more of that medicine. I'm gonna be all out. That's alright. Your biggest fan, I'll follow you around. Yeah, I'm using my Snapchat, so you guys should check that out. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this. And then this, okay. Well, we are all out of that vitamin. I'm gonna finish this and all. Hey guys, so I just got this package. Well, I ordered two of the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and all. One my sister's getting and all. I've been wanting this palette for like a long time. My sister already knows that she's getting it, but she's not getting it until her birthday. So yes, I'm so excited. Look at how cute this packaging is. Be sweet. Oh, I am so excited. Oh, it smells like peaches. Oh my god, when you get so excited because you get something new. This is so pretty. There's so many looks in here. Gosh, I have so many new makeups. Oh my god, I've been wanting this palette for so long. Oh my god. Yes. Okay. I am not always online shopping. I just actually spoiled myself for once. I never do that. So this is what the box looks like. I also have another one, but my sister's getting that one. Oh, yes. I'm so excited. Yes. And all, I know my recent stuff has been only online orders. I'm just gonna smell this palette. Oh my, look guys, yes. Yes. I'm so happy. Alright, I am I just realized I never took a thumbnail for this vlog, so I think it's gonna be this. And all. Hey guys, I am studying. That's why you hear the voice there. There's notes and all, and the teacher's talking and all. I got my notes right here. talking about
I replaced the
motherboards on a
motherboard,
computer.
powered on the system, and all of a sudden
I'm
the
on
CD
module
didn't work.
2.
Well, it worked, but it didn't play any audio.
yeah.
Well, what did I do?
That's what
Well,
I'm
I
doing right
forgot
now.
to plug back in that audio connector.
Hey guys, I am studying. That's why you hear the voice there. There's notes and all, and the teacher's talking and all. I got my notes right here. Talking about motherboards on a computer. I'm on module 2.
Well, it worked, but it didn't play any audio.
yeah.
Well, what did I do?
That's what
Well,
I'm
I
doing right
forgot
now.
to plug back in that audio connector.
Hey guys, so I just finished one of my parts while studying and all for the computers. I don't know if I basically explained this. I know from my last, when I was vlogging about GED and all, when I moved and all, I just decided, you know, I would be a senior this year. I just decided to get a GED for personal reasons, but for my mental health and all, I just thought it would be better and all, because going to a new school and all, I've gone to many high schools and all. Senior year is supposed to be a great year and all, and technically I should have graduated last year and all, but my parents held me back when I was younger, and also I didn't register and all for kindergarten until the next year. So basically I graduated early, and now with the GED I graduated early and all, and now I am studying and all. So technically I would have like graduated in June if I continued and all. So I'm like early right now, so I can get this done and all, and already when I'm supposed to graduate in June, I could already have a job in computers or whatever. You know what the future, you never know what the future holds, but so basically I'm actually ahead. So this is a good thing. So like I'm very happy that I'm ahead and all. This is good, this is positive, this is nice. And oh man, my candles smell so good. I'm burning 2, and they're 2 different scents, but love and a lavender candle. I love lavender candles. So like they're so calming and relaxing and all, and you gotta be careful when you burn 2 candles because the smell can be like really overpowering if they don't smell good together, but they smell really good together. Oh my god. It smells so good in here. I actually finished 2 candles. Yeah. Like, I want to go back to Bath & Body Works and all, because they're still having that sale and all, and I want to get some candles, some more candles, and all. That one Bath & Body Works candle, I give it to my sister, like the container, because I finished it and all. So, basically, I want to go there. I also want to just get some scents and all, so. They're having a sale, and I really didn't look there because I was just looking at candles and all, so. Yeah. Alright, it is cold outside and all, so cold. It's supposed to warm up, and oh, so like that package thing, you know, because I went to the dentist, I threw it away and all, so I had to write a note and stick it on my front door. Yeah, oh well. So basically that's what's happening. Alright, hey guys, before I get off here, I'm going to do a couple swatches from the Too Faced Peach palette. I might do a Get Ready With Me tomorrow, so who knows. Let's do Bless Her Heart. Let's do a swatch of that. It's like a greeny tone color. That's what it looks like. And we'll do Just Peachy. Okay, it's just a pink tone right there. Tempting. Ooh, wow. Oh wow, that's really pigmented and all. So I really want to try one of these purples. Talk Derby to Me. Okay. Oh wow. Ooh, yep, I love that one. Alright, one more. Let's do Summer Yum. Let's go like a brown color. Yeah. So this palette has 18 shades. I am so happy that I got this and all. It smells like peaches, like I said. I am going to use this palette tomorrow. Alright guys, I'm gonna go now. Hope you guys like the vlog. I will see you guys soon in a brand new video. Bye!